Hi, this is a tutorial for Doily Designs Harvest Cloth Crochet Pattern. If you don't have the pattern, you can find it at doilydesigns.etsy.com. These cute little harvest cloths can be made in different themes. This one's a peach, so it has the peach leaf. It began as a pumpkin, and the pumpkin leaf, the peach leaf, and other leaves are included with the pattern and are crocheted onto the drawstring. You can put all kinds of stuff in these, from soap to bath bombs, or you can just open it up and use it like a washcloth, or you can set it out as a doily. My personal favorite is the loofah design. And you just put your soap in there and do rabbit ears to tie it. And that's a quick, easy tie.